Thank you, Monica, for waiting. Hi, Shrikant. Hi, Harika. Good morning. Harika,
Hi,
your voice.
Monica.
Hi, Shrikant. Harika, your voice is breaking. Come again?
Yeah, good morning, Monica.
Okay. Yeah, good morning. Okay. So, do you have any doubts on the demo class? Like, mm, have you gone through or any doubts can be discussed? Like, um, any doubts, right? Like, regarding the career or um, whatever doubts, any doubts is welcome. No doubt is like foolish or nothing like that. Okay, feel free to ask throughout the session. So don't hold on. Mm, Okay, I'm sharing my screen. So today our topic would be Jira sign up. Okay. So what is Jira? Any idea anybody's having about Jira sign up? Like what is Jira? Anybody has an idea? Like anybody who is
No,
already
Monica.
working in the
Project
IT?
management tool.
Yeah, project management tool. Yeah, correct. Who who answered? Is it Harika or Monica? Monica. Okay. Yeah, it's a project management tool. So what is project management tool? Basically, uh, Jira project manager. Today I am going to make you sign up for the Jira project management. So, as a Scrum Master, most of your work will be into the just this Jira project management tool. So, what is Jira project management tool? First, um, we have a requirement called to develop a iPhone. Okay, developing iPhone is a project here. Is a project. Okay, for this you're a Scrum Master. So, in the Scrum team, so our main work always revolves around Scrum team. Okay. What does Scrum team contains? Tell me. Hello. Even if you don't remember, also that is fine. But just try. As far as you have heard in the demo.
Uh, um,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Let's write. I mean, let's again brush up. So Scrum team contains product owner. This was covered in demo, but even if you don't remember, also that is fine. I'm going to repeat, and this session will be recorded, and you can always go through the session whenever you want. Okay. First is the product owner. Next, Scrum Master. You. Third, development team. So this development team contains dev plus test. Okay. So this is a what do you call? Okay, let me write this in the Google Docs. That should be fine because I can always share with you instead of writing in the notepad. Okay, so mm, Scrum team contains product owner, Scrum Master. That's you, and development team, dev and testing. Now let's discuss about what is the Jira, the project management tool we use for. Okay, so consider there is a client. When I say client, he also can be termed as customer or stakeholder. Okay, so he'll come up with the requirements that what are all the features that iPhone should have. Okay, so iPhone, how he want. Um, okay, first let's divide it into a few types. One is front look, then back panel, then motherboard. This contains all hardware, etc., like RAM, ROM, everything. Okay. Uh, okay. So these are all the high level requirements of a customer. So let's break down these into front look. How the customer wants it's like a curved display. Okay. I hope you are understanding. If not, I can take another example. Just confirm, please. Otherwise, it would be a problem. We are able to understand the
Yes,
phone,
yes, ma'am.
right? Yeah. So front look, um, or total phone look. It will come under curved display, but front look I can say a border, um, a silver line border uh, should be surrounding in the front display. Okay. uh, and okay, fingerprint sensor, till now I'm not sure if it is there or not, but fingerprint sensor was not not coming for a new models at least. So fingerprint sensor on the display. Okay. uh, Face ID should be on top, middle of the screen. So this is about front look of a phone, iPhone. Let's also consider for back panel. Whatever we are typing here, these are all called requirements of a customer. These we are going to put it in the um, project management tool. Like we will be writing in the form of requirements or user stories. This is one user story. This is one user story. So basically, will all, I mean, as a Scrum Master, you'll write all these user stories in one tool together where a team can see what are all the requirements a customer is having. So that is called a project management tool. Let's write first what are the requirements, then like quickly, and then we can move to the Jira, uh, mm, like sign up process. Okay, back panel. Um, it should it should be back back panel should be of glass. Okay. Next, it should contain iPhone logo. Third, camera should present. What else? What else can we write from a phone perspective, my phone perspective? Anything else?
Color,
Shrikant, tell me.
color for the phone.
Colors. Okay. Various colors. Colors like um, blue, green, pink, pastel colors. Okay. Okay, that's all. Next we'll go to motherboard. Motherboard. Okay. Uh, ROM, which is a hard disk, or um like default memory would be there, right? So that memory would be 256 GB or 128 GB. Okay. So you have to keep you have to be careful with the small letters and um, capital letters. That makes a difference. Okay. As Scrum Master, you have to keep an eye on everything. RAM is like 16 GB. Let's consider. Okay. And processor is of Snapdragon, Qualcomm Snapdragon. Okay. Mm, that's all. Let's consider all these things today. Okay. So front look, as per him, as per the customer, he want iPhone to be designed in a way like a front look should have a silver line border, should be surrounding the front display. Hmm? Fingerprint sensor on the display. Face ID should be on the top of the middle of screen. These are the like high level and mandatory ones. Okay. Um, Back panel. Back panel should be of glass, contain iPhone logo. Camera should present various panel pastel colors like blue, green, pink. For now, we'll take only three. Motherboard. It's um, memory of a phone by default, so it can be 256, 128. Um, and RAM. It is also like 16 GB for now. Okay, we have a various ones again. We can put 8 or 16. Okay, processor for now we are considering only Qualcomm Snapdragon. These are all the 9 requirements he is having. So he has discussed this with the product owner. Now product owner uh, has written all these things with the help of Scrum Master, where in a project management tool. So what is that? This is the management tool. I mean, we have so many project management tools. It's like for now. So Jira, ADO, Azure DevOps. These are all the damn highlighted. Um, what do you call project management tools? Also, will be there is another thing called Octane. This will be used by less people, but most of the people will use Jira. So I'm concentrating today on only, or in this course only on Jira. So if you get an idea, as in how the requirements will be drafted, how the working or progress will be tracked in the Jira, then you'll understand like in all other project man tools also some are the other way, like a very slight difference, all the work would be same as a Scrum Master for you. Okay, so that is how Jira project management tool, where the requirements will be drafted. These will be drafted in the form of a user story. Okay, got it. Jira sign up. Okay, Jira sign up, yeah. If you type like this, can anybody share the screen, please? So that we'll be able to, I mean, I'll be able to guide.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please share, Harika. Open Google and type Jira sign up.
Okay, ma'am.
ఇంకా వీడియోలోనే ఇప్పుడు
Get started with Jira.
Uh,
Hello.
Sign up Jira. Please share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
You have an option here in the bottom, share. So there you can click on share and choose either entire screen or window, Chrome window. You're able to see? Harika,
Got
you're able to see this share option?
1 second, ma'am. Where,
In the
ma'am?
bottom, you have an option called share
Share, right?
and select. You have to select on either window
Share.
or
Uh,
select and share. Click on share and then you'll have an option pop up like window or entire screen.
sharing.
share.
Blue whiteboard photo. Share
Screen share.
screen.
Ma'am, did you got my screen share?
No, not yet. One second. Nope, I didn't get it. Try once again.
Share. Screen, ma'am.
Click on share and click on the again entire screen and then share.
Share. Click on.
Entire screen. You have to select entire screen. I mean, if you click on it, it will get selected and then click on share.
It is showing only screen, Zoom, whiteboards, photos, images, share camera
Um,
doc, and web.
for now, you choose entire screen. So to avoid more confusion. Um, okay, Harika, let's not waste more time. Let's explore later. Anybody else? Veda, Shri, Shrikant, or Monica?
Hi Monica. I'm trying to log in my laptop, but it is loading. So I think it takes time for me.
I see, I see. Okay. No problem. Fine. I'll share my screen. So you have, you're able to see, right? Y- You're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Click on the Google. Say like Jira sign up, and then go for this. Okay. And then you can go for Google, and you can select use another account and give another email ID, and then click on next. You can sign in with your mine is already created. Okay, let me try a different one. If you have already a Google account, then it should be fine. Otherwise, I have already created so many other accounts, so I'm not going to use. Um, Now, what I'm doing is you followed my steps, right? I clicked on this and I selected Google, and I'm using another account because those are accounts are already used. So here I'm going to create a new Google account, Monica Chiravan. Next, randomly you give. And Chiravan Monica. New password. If you have already a Gmail account, then that should be fine. Mm, one second. What is it? Yeah. Okay. Recovery email address. Let's skip for now. Okay. Next. Okay. Sign into Atlassian. I didn't have a Gmail ID before. That's why I had to create a new one using create email ID. And then Now I completed sign up process with the Google. Now it is redirecting to sign into Atlassian. I'm clicking on continue. Atlassian is nothing but a Jira. Okay, so here it automatically took email address Jira1 Monica at gmail.com, full name Monica Jira1. I'm clicking on continue. Okay, click on continue. It's default one. No need to change anything here. Just click on continue. That's all. Okay, getting things ready. This is the project management tool where we will write all the user stories, customer requirements. Okay, so that we developers and testers can be able to develop and test things, like how the iPhone is working, how the back panel is developed, is it matching with the customer requirement, or if a developer has included like orange back panel, will it satisfy customer requirement? No, right? So what you have to do is, as a tester, I mean, we have to observe testers how they are testing. So in this back panel, it's only mentioned blue, green, pink, not which color I mentioned. Some other than these three colors, like white color. It is not mentioned here. But developer, if he is mistakenly developed white color, then tester should report saying that this is not the color mentioned in the requirement. So that is comes as a issue. Issue is nothing but a bug. Okay, anything which is not meeting the customer or client requirements, that is called bug. Okay, remember these terms. So those bugs also will be tracked over here, bugs and user stories. You have to select software development. You can select everything here. So track bugs. What is bug? I told you it's kind of a issue which it's like a um it's not meeting the client's requirement. For example, I asked somewhere like McDonald's, I asked burger, but they gave me pizza. Is it my requirement? No, right? So I'll raise an issue saying that, guys, I ordered burger and why are you delivering me pizza? Okay, same thing happens here. Only three colors mentioned in the requirement, but developer developed something other than the actual colors. So tester says, I tested this. This is not meeting the client requirement. So this is a bug, he'll say. So those bugs also will be tracked here. Any doubt till now? You're clear? Shrikant, Harika, Vedashri, um,
Yes, ma'am.
Sashikant.
That is
You're
clear.
clear, right?
Yeah, coming to bugs, it is clear, ma'am.
What is it? Your voice is low.
Ah, tracking bugs, it is okay.
Yeah, you understood what's the meaning of bug, right? So it's kind of
Yes,
a issue.
yes. Not
Okay,
reaching
so
the client requirement.
yes, correct. Whatever it is not meeting the client's requirement, that is called a bug. Okay, track bugs, manage task. So what is task? Developer will be having a development task. Tester will be having a testing task. So those are all the tasks are given to the different people. The developers will take like uh, a task will be created for them saying that development should, I mean, if they are going to develop a back panel, they'll take around 8 hours. Okay, so 8 hours means a task will be created, and after 8 hours, that task need to be completed. That and tester needs like 2 hours of verification, 2 hours of testing. Then um after testing is done, they'll close that task. So task is a simple term. Task is like a work is assigned to the different people. Prioritize work, like what are all the requirements. We have a thing called priority here in user stories. Hmm? So bugs, in bugs and user stories we have a priority, like if we mark it as a P1. We have a thing called, we have a like we'll give numbers or priority numbers to the bugs and user stories, where P1 means very high priority, P2 means medium, P3 means okay low, P4 means very low, like that. Okay, so prioritize work. For example, in developing phone, developing a front panel is more. Sorry, motherboard is a more important for me first. So that is called P1. So this would be a P1, P1 requirement, and this is P2 requirement. So based on P1, P2, P3, they'll take that priority and develop and test that first. That is prioritize work in Scrum. So as a Scrum Master, you'll see who is working on which thing, which user story, and how the testers are working. Are they track? Are we in track? Are we able to complete within the time period? So that is called work in Scrum. Map work dependencies. So for example, this where is it? Hmm. A front look, first requirement would be silver line border should be surrounding the front display. To make a silver line border, first we have to develop a front display. Then only we can give the silver line border, right? So that is a dependency. First, one thing has to develop. Then only we can apply the second requirement. So that is kind of a dependency, map work dependencies. And we already know that in Scrum we all go by sprints or iterations. Sprint is nothing but a particular time period in where we'll say like in this 2 weeks of period I'll be going to develop all these requirements. Okay, that is called run sprints. So click on all, because as a Scrum Master you'll be doing everything here: track bugs, manage tasks, prioritize work in Scrum, map work dependencies, run sprints. So select all, everything, continue. Usually by default one name should be there, and then I'm not disturbing anything here. I'm just disturbing sorry, I'm just getting with a get started. What types of work do you need? Task, developer's task, story. Feature is something where I'll tell you like in one class I can't go all, but if I say feature, no, one second. Hmm. So I've selected task, story, feature, and bug. For now, request you put it aside. I'll tell you later what is this request about, or it's not that important. Our main Jira is all about all these task, story, feature, and bug. So if I say feature, these are all the user stories, isn't it? These are all come under this feature. So a feature is nothing but a collection of user stories. So front look is a feature. Back panel is a feature. Motherboard is a feature. This is comes under a hardware. Okay, these are all. You have one thing, and under that you have children again, childlike. So this whole thing is a summary of this, right? This summary is called feature. If somebody says um, um, features are good in her face or his face, so what are the features? Facial features. Okay. So when somebody says eyes means eyes only, as in whole eyes. But when you break down, it has eyelashes, eye color, the eyeball color, the the shape of the eyes, everything it will come under. So that feature. Similarly, here front look means it's all come under one umbrella. This is a mother and these are all the children. So that is the feature here. And stories means children of the features. These requirements are called stories. So I'll write here feature story. For your understanding, I'm writing like this. Okay. This is the feature. These are all the stories. Okay. Task means again developer task and testing task. Developer has to develop it, and after developing is done, then he'll give to the tester to test it. Please test whether I have developed properly or not. That is called testing task. Okay, bug means anything which is not working as per the requirement, that is bug. Next, how do you track progress? To do. To do means what are the things we have to yet to do. To do in progress already. I mean, these are all the fun now. These are all the to do processes. For example, tomorrow one developer says, I'll be starting with this. Then it will move into the in progress. And development is done. And with the senior developers, the code is in the process of reviewing. That is called in review. If it is then completed, deployment and everything, it will be in a done state. We can also add a state where um, blocked. So because of some reasons, the maybe then what do you call because of some reasons like we have a dependency. For example, to develop this silver line border, we have to develop first a front panel. That is a first of all that is not developed. So this will always be in a blocked state until unless the front panel is developed, right? So that is like a blocked. Another example. mm This fingerprint and sensor display is developed, being developed by developer, and it is given to the tester, but that is not working. Because of this, it will be we tester has raised a bug, and he put this user story in a blocked state. These are all the statuses we call them. To do in progress. What are the requirements we are yet to do? What are the things we are already started? What are all things we requirements are in review? What are all blocked? How many things were done? Okay, click on next. Any doubt till here? You good with the statuses? Am I going too fast, or you're okay with?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's good, Monica.
Okay. Okay. Share. Okay. Do this later. So this is the home page of a this is the homepage of a Jira where you can create your project. But I want you to try at the same time with me and let me know where you're stuck so that I can guide you. So till here, everybody should be able to reach onto this stage. Please try along with me. If anybody else can share, that should be fine. But you try. Type in the Google Atlassian or Jira sign up and then follow the steps. You're trying parallelly already? Please just confirm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
Monica.
started what do you call it? Scan
Tell me.
scan.
Ah, okay, you scan it and oh, don't you have a already account? Then you could have tried with that, no? I didn't have a other spare email ID that I had to go to the new one and created it. If you
Okay.
can have a already Google account, you can select that one.
Yes, ma'am. I selected. Yeah, I logged into
Jira?
account.
How about other people?
Atlassian.com. I logged into that. Home.
Okay, reached where I was there in here till here.
Account settings. Atlassian support. Atlassian community.
Uh, I want to see your screen actually.
In laptop, I am doing none.
Laptop only you can have. You can share the screen.
Yes, ma'am, I will share.
ఇందులో
Laptop.
Monica, here select a template to get started. It's there. Software development. Do we need to select
Click on the software development. Are you able to share
the
share
Kanban?
your screen or
I have
no
joined via
problem?
phone. Yeah, yeah, via phone, and I'm just logging via
Oh,
and yeah. You
click
need to
on
select
software
the
development.
no. The options are like Kanban, Scrum, project management.
Okay, click on Scrum.
Okay. In the review place, we need to edit it as a blocked, Monica.
No, no, no. Let it be.
Just
You can add actually. See, I'll
add.
show. Oh,
Yeah, yeah, it's
um,
there.
you can add and you can add as a blocked
Yeah.
status.
Live green.
What is it?
clear screen documents and also entire screen.
May I know who is Ravi? Why?
It's not.
Who is it? Is it you, Harika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Harika, yeah. Mute some in another device and talk. Yeah, please tell me what happened. Any doubt? Vedashri, are you trying already? Uh, Hello, Vedashri. Harika, you asked something. Please go ahead. Okay. Anybody facing any issue? Are you able to proceed? Any blockers or you don't understand? My time is dedicated completely to you, so you can ask me any question or shoot me with the questions. No problem. I have full patience to explain. Just don't stuck up. By learning, you shouldn't have any. Anybody is sharing the screen? I can't see. Oh, Monica.
To
Share.
you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is there a correct ma'am?
What is it?
I log in correct way or not?
Monica, can you able to see my screen?
Yeah, Monica, I'm able to see.
Yeah, I got this page, Monica.
Okay. Backlog. Can you go to the board? Board. Click on board. No.
Oh,
Here only. Summary. My Scrum project below. Summary backlog board.
yeah.
You added a status and program blocked. Okay. To do. Where is done? Can you scroll right? Are you
Right.
able to see done? Done.
Done. It's
To
there.
do. Okay. Fine. Okay. Yeah, this should be the page that we are looking for. Please let me know if anybody is facing any issue. We should be landing on this page. Any doubt, guys? Uh, Vedashri, Nishant.
No, ma'am.
Okay. For today, this should be the destined page that I was hoping for. Okay. So till here, you should be able to. I mean, your homepage should be launching here, board page, where we'll be seeing all the to do in progress in view and blocked and done. Um, Try to change your project name. Everybody's will be like a default project name would be there. So change when you click on it, you'll get an option. You can edit it and save. I mean, you don't have to save it. When you go come back, come outside, then it automatically gets saved. So this page should be the desired page for me to explain. If you have any issues, then you can um, reach out to me with this email ID monica.training92@gmail.com, or you can reach out to Hari. He can redirect to me. We will be sharing this screen recording, cloud recording with you for the Jira sign up process, and go through again if you face any issue or if you didn't understand. Whatever I said, it should be very important. During the sign up process, I didn't get a Scrum as an option while creating a project. So many people might be able to get into that stage where you have to select Scrum, Kanban, Scrumban. So select as you are a Scrum Master. Okay, so you're already have take started being a Scrum Master, so act like it. So select Scrum everywhere, because we are only going to concentrate on Scrum. So wherever you see, wherever you get stuck, just select Scrum. Okay. So our project is mainly going to be on a Scrum. And I'll be sharing this document with Hari, and Hari will be sharing with you. Um, okay. Please reach out to him. Um, every day I'll be updating this Google document, so that we'll be able to understand like whatever we have discussed. So today we have discussed mm, statuses. Can anybody tell me the statuses, please? Like these ones. Status means to do, in progress, in review. So
Front
the requirements can be in to do, can be in progress, like that.
front panel in progress.
No, basically, generally, I am asking to what are all the different types of to do. Sorry, statuses of a user story. To do, in progress. Uh,
In
in
progress,
review.
in review, blocked and done.
Okay. So till now, this page contains all the discussion about today. I'll ask him to share with you people, and also please go through the recording once again and understand how the Scrum Master will be how he will be able to handle. Just, I mean, till now you have reached. So try to explore everything, like what does summary contains, work backlog. What does backlog actually mean? So open ChatGPT or open Google and search for what is backlog meaning, what is board, what is timeline. So if you understand these terms, terminology, I'm there to explain you. But before, if you get some time, if only you get some time, then try to explore these terms, because eventually I'll be explaining. But here comes your interest in getting the job as a Scrum Master. So before I say only, you'll be exploring. That is the zeal everybody should have. Okay. Anyways, I'll be going through everything, each and everything, whatever you ask for or whatever the course is planned for. But the thing is, you have to have your own, desire to explore everything, and then only you have to create your own interest, and then only we'll be able to successfully, crack up the interviews. Okay. Okay. I think we can wrap up the session today. Tomorrow, I'll continue with the usual course structure shared by Hari. Um, and we have prepared the deck, and that's how we'll continue with the course. Okay. Okay, guys. Any doubts do you have? I can wrap up the session. Okay. See you tomorrow then. We'll meet up at the same time. Uh huh. Somebody said something?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you then. Bye.